Lever, it's a simple mechanism made out of a bar that turns around a fixed point that used to move weights. Levers consist of a fulcrum, which is a point of movement or pivot which an arm or lever moves. They also consist of effort and load. Effort is the force exerted onto the mechanism to make it able to do work. Along with load is the mass of the object that is lifted up, cut, or moved. The different classes of levers depend on where the fulcrum is positioned. If in the middle, it's considered first. If second, it's considered right at the end, such as a wheelbarrow. Seesaws, scissors, brooms, fishing rods are examples of everyday levers. Lesson study case will explore if this is really a lever system or not. As you can see, the strains, the nuts, and all directed from one point to another. From being the doorknob, the external nail being the lever, and the load being the water bottle. Me pushing the door is considered an effort. Think of a lever system as a door closer instead of saying,
"Please close the door."
Next time we are going to explore the hydraulics and pneumatic systems. And thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe, like, and comment.